In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. If a laborer, a plumber, an electrician, a mason, a trader, a hair cutter, a hairdresser, a tailor want to get better business, get a better rewards for their work, what they need to do. Obviously, there are certain things needed, not just one. But I am going to talk about the most important of all those. Obviously, they need to move to a better place, they need to do a better marketing, etc., etc., etc. Changing the station, the city, getting better marketing strategies, but primarily they need to go an extra mile, they need to perform better, they need to do the better input, they should be performing, doing, delivering better than what the rest of the people in that particular field are delivering. And either they should be doing this thing, or they should simply try to convince the other people, persuade the other people that they are doing better than others. As a matter of fact, they are not doing. Rather, it is just a deceitful marketing. What is going to happen as a result of this cheating, dishonest practice? Obviously, only after a short span of time, the people will come to realize that these people are fake, they are cheat, and that is why it is not a good strategy at all, not a good decision, not a good policy at all, not a good strategy, not a good policy at all. What to do then? Obviously, there is no option left but except one, and this one option is that they should go extra mile. They have to outperform others. That is why the people availing their services will be satisfied. They will like to continue hiring, availing the services, the products of this person. And there is a phrase of English that satisfied customer is the best advertisement. Whether a customer is satisfied and or not, in both the cases, either they are working in favor of you or they are working against you. If they are satisfied, obviously, they will be attracting more customers towards you. If they are dissatisfied, they will not only that they are seriously thinking to leave you, rather they will be telling the same thing to the other people as well, which does not goes into your interest at all, which does not go into our interest at all, which does not go into the interest of those who are desiring to have better business compared to the other people in the same field. Going extra mile in our life while interacting with the other people, we should go extra mile. While interacting with the other people, we need to go extra mile. While taking care of the things for our family, for ourselves, again we have to perform better. We need to go extra mile. We need to go extra mile. That is the key. This is the key. There is a competition in whatever we are doing. Even if you are cooking the food for yourself, you need to do it better. Regardless of what we are doing, we need to do better. Better to whom? Better to other people. Better than other people. What is the way to perform better than other people? I think that we need to perform better than our yesterdays, better than our past. Having done this thing, it will be far easy to perform better than others. If we are directly focused upon performing better than others, it is going to be quite turbulent, uneven, not smooth at all. It is rather smooth if at all we are comparing ourselves with the yesterday, with our yesterday. Competing ourselves with our yesterday, it does not hurt our ego at all. It does not hurt our ego at all. Performing, trying to perform better than others. Others is not just one person. We are one person. Others are not one person. If at all one person has taken, say, 600 marks out of the 1000, then then you may find another person having the 700 marks. You may find another person having the 800 mark. You might find another person having 900 mark. You might find another one having 950 marks. Just to make it simple enough, that is why I am using the method of marks. So that is why it is far better to compare our today with our yesterday. And there is a prophetic saying as well: the one who is today is worse than yesterday is doomed. This actually means that we are on the losing wicket, which we should not be. Going extra mile will win us the heart and the minds of the people. Going extra mile will help us win the hearts and the minds of the people. And nothing is better than this one. So be ready for the extra mile regardless of what you are doing. Regardless of what you are doing, be ready for the extra mile. And this extra mile will make you the most prominent person. Thank you, Jazakallah.